Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I am sharing with you the simple air fryer roasted chicken with you all. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do what to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so as I said in the intro, today I'm going to be roasting this full chicken in my air fryer, and I'm using fresh whole chicken right here. This is very soft chicken that I'm using. You can use the hard one if that is what you prefer. Alright, so to start with, I'm going to start by washing or cleaning this chicken very well to get rid of any sliminess and any unwanted smell that I don't need on the chicken. And to do that, I'm going to be needing my white vinegar. You can also use lemon or any other juice that can help you get rid of any sliminess and any smell out of it. And I'm also going to use the help of salt as well. And with the help of these two ingredients, your chicken is going to get rid of anything that you don't want on the chicken. Right, so now let's massage it very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards, I'm going to leave this in water for approximately 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you don't have much time, you just have to soak it for about 15 minutes and you are good to go. And after extra 30 minutes or 1 hour of doing this, it is all done and ready. So as you can see, the water has changed a little bit, and that indicates that it has really done its work very well. Moving forward, I'm going to be using my paper towels to tap on it very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now, to get rid of any water that is on the chicken. We want to make sure this chicken is well clean and very dry before we can apply any other seasoning to it. So make sure to clean or use a paper towel or any other clean towel to clean your chicken very well. While that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel and you're still watching this video at this point, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after we are done cleaning the chicken, this is how it looks like. So we're going to set this aside. Moving forward, I'm also going to start by mixing my seasoning. And so for the seasoning that I'll be using, I'll be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. And also, if you have any other seasonings apart from this one that I'm using, you can also go for it, because everything I'm doing right here is totally to your taste. I'll also go in with some Kivo hot pepper, which is going to give that hotness and rich taste as well to this chicken. You can also use any pepper of your choice, either being the fresh one or the dry one. You are good to go. I'll also go in with some garlic and ginger paste and also some cooking oil. I'll mix all together until all the seasoning or the spices are well incorporated. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll go ahead and set this aside, and at this point all that is left is for me to massage all these spices on the chicken very well. We really want to marinate this chicken so that it will really taste very good. Alright, so after marinating the chicken, this is how it looks like. It's looking all good and just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to be putting this in my air fryer. After that, I'm going to cover the chicken with some cling film to allow it to rest a little bit. This will ensure that the seasoning that I used to marinate the chicken will penetrate through very well, so that when you are enjoying this chicken, you are going to feel every bite of it. So now let's rest this for approximately 30 to 1 hour, and after 1 hour, this is how it turned out. It's just perfect and ready. And so I'm going to be roasting this in my air fryer for approximately 40 to 1 hour. And also be sure to be flipping your chicken over so that every part of this chicken will roast very well. And afterwards, this is how it turned out. As you can see, it turned out so good. And tell me why this chicken is not going to taste really good. Alright, so whilst we are done roasting our chicken, I'm going to be brushing the toppings of it with some butter. You can also use cooking oil for this. This is also going to give that shiny look after you are done roasting the chicken, and you can also omit it if you don't want to. And just look at how beautiful this chicken turned out. I am so much in love with this recipe, and trust me, the taste in there was just on point. I hope you're going to try this recipe and you are going to love it. Today is 25th of December, and roasting this for your family to enjoy alongside with any dish, or you can even make soup out of this. I'm bringing you a nice recipe out of this chicken, and you are definitely going to love it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.